Today we will discuss topography of the back muscle. Topography of the back muscle, we have weak points which we have in the abdomen region from the back side, okay, and we have three triangles making in the back muscle, okay. First we have occipital triangle, then we have superior lumbar triangle, and we have inferior lumbar triangle. Now we are going to discuss the boundary of these triangles, which side which muscle is lying, okay. First we will discuss this is the lumbar triangle, sorry, occipital triangle, this one is superior lumbar triangle, and this is the inferior lumbar triangle. These are the three triangles which are present in the back muscle, okay. First we will discuss the occipital triangle. Occipital triangle, we have three boundaries, okay, three boundaries. Now this one is have superior medial because it's superior side and also lying in and near to the middle. That's why we call superior medially, and this is superior side and located lateral side. That's why we call superior laterally, and this one is inferior boundary, okay. And now I will show which superior medially which muscle is lying, and superior laterally which muscle, and inferior boundary which muscle. Superior medially, here we discuss we have minor and major rectus capitis posterior muscle, and here we have inferior, we have obliquus inferior capitis inferior muscle, and here we have obliquus capitis superior muscle, okay. Now here if I will write, means superior medially, medial boundary, what muscle we have? Two muscle, rectus capitis posterior, which one? Minor and major muscle, okay. Two muscle is superior medially, okay. And then laterally is first boundary, second boundary, superior laterally lying, we have the muscle, its name obliquus capitis, because in the capitis region, capitis superior muscle, okay, this one, okay. And inferior boundary, we have because we have three boundary in occipital triangles. Inferior boundary, we have the muscle, its name obliquus capitis inferior muscle. These are the triangle, occipital triangle which we talked. These are located here between the suboccipital muscles. Superior medially, we have rectus capitis posterior major and minor muscle, and superior laterally the muscle which we have obliquus capitis superior muscle, and inferior boundary we have located the muscle is obliquus, this one obliquus capitis inferior muscle, okay. These are the occipital triangle in the topography of the back muscle, okay. Next we have superior, this one, this is the superior lumbar triangle which are located deeply, okay. They have three boundaries, okay. First boundary we have this one, the superior boundary, superior boundary. superior boundary we have 12-3 because it's deep, and 12-3. Next, lateral boundary, we have the muscle which is lying, because this is located deeply, if we will remove the lateral group of muscle, the first muscle external oblique muscle, then we have behind the lateral external oblique muscle we have internal oblique muscle. Okay, it means lateral boundary of the superior lumbar triangle we have located internal oblique muscle, which are the lateral group of muscle of abdomen. Okay, then we have the second boundary, third boundary we have medially boundary we have, but medially boundary we have the muscle, also the posterior group of muscle, it means quadratus lumborum muscle, and medially of superior lumbar triangle is located quadratus lumborum muscle, quadratus lumborum muscle. These are the superior lumbar triangle which are located superior boundary we have 12-3, middle lateral boundary we have the internal oblique muscle, and medially boundary we have quadratus lumborum muscle, and going there the bottom we have helicris. Okay, these are the superior lumbar triangle. Here I will add superior lumbar triangle, because in lumbar region we have two triangles in back muscle. Okay, this is superior and this is inferior. Now we will talk the inferior lumbar triangle. I will write here inferior lumbar triangle. Inferior lumbar triangle we also have four boundaries. First boundary, medially we have which muscle? Medially we have latissimus dorsi muscle, which are the superficial group of pec muscle. Latissimus dorsi muscle, the first layer muscle, that is trapezius muscle, and latissimus dorsi muscle is the first layer muscle of the superficial group of pec muscle. Latissimus dorsi muscle. Second boundary we have lateral boundary. Okay, laterally we have the muscle, its name we are located here is external oblique, because this is located superficial and this is deep, and superficially which the lateral group of muscle, the first muscle name here external oblique muscle, or epinolysis of the external oblique muscle. Okay, next the next boundary we have like roof we have roof of inferior lumbar triangle we have located the muscle, its name internal oblique muscle, and here at the bottom we have helicris. Okay, these are the simple topography of the back muscle, which we have three triangles making, superior triangles, superior lumbar triangle and inferior lumbar triangle. In each triangle we have boundary which we discuss each boundary which superior and laterally and medially which muscle is located. Okay, and we mentioned here also. Thank you for